Verity is an inventory tracking solution powered by fully autonomous drones. Verity enables the zero-error warehouse. We check inventory and reveal where mistakes are made. We help our clients save time, money, and free up workers from one of the most disliked tasks in the warehouse. Our clients distinguish themselves, garnering internal accolades and external recognition for their operational excellence. On average, a warehouse turns over its stock 8 times per year. Each of these pallet movements carries with it the risk of mistakes. Issues such as missing labels and lost pallets. On average, a warehouse will see a 5 to 15% inventory issue rate. Autonomous inventory tracking allows a warehouse to conduct inventory in real time. As the drones reveal issues, warehouse operations improve. The result, a zero-error warehouse. The first impact of inventory automation is that workers no longer need to spend time doing inventory counting. The second largest impact comes from the productivity gained by reducing the number of issues and their consequences. Missing labels, lost or misplaced pallets lead to workers having to correct these issues. A third important benefit, reduced lost goods. Thanks to spotting issues in real time, instances of lost goods are significantly reduced. Verity allows a warehouse to evolve from inventory compliance to warehouse operational excellence, identifying error root causes, allowing staff training, and improved daily procedures. Verity, autonomous inventory tracking solutions. To learn more, visit verity.net.